Hello there, sat in the Cessna 172 today. I'm just going to demonstrate the Stream Deck functions with the COMMS radio, the nav radio. Let's jump in. I'm just going to turn the engine off so you can hear me better. Right, the Stream Deck buttons work all the lights, beacon, fuel pump, PTOE. They all work as such, but when it comes to the radio, there's a slightly different technique. Press the COMMS button here to open the folder. See, they've set up the COM1, COM2, NAV1, NAV2 radio. So, for example, NAV1, if we hold it in, it brings up another screen with the keypad, so we could enter like the local ILS 10935. Press enter. That now enters. If you want to swap it over, you just tap it. And now see it changes over and picks up the airport. Same as NAV2, hold it in, type in the frequency, 935, press enter. To change it over, press again. It should pick up the East Midlands airport code. Same as the transponder, if you want to change the code on the transponder, you press it in, enter the number that the air traffic control gives you, press enter. You'll see now it's changed. And that's it basically. That's how I use the Stream Deck to control everything. You can turn it off. That's it. Thank you very much.